We are Aquababa, Acoustic Groove. We are Akwasi Dae, Akesia, you know, Asante Maya, Asante Fasha de Bia, Otumfuo Osei Tutu. So, boy, and I do say, where I want to have Menshia Palace now. You did Madura, you will see the Muram, Marco Heavy Bia, and President John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, on Sunday, no Yama better, you made in a cheap. President is so I say, I have Acoustic Groove, Boba. O share now like a video no na o share na enko so anya e bia hwe na o subscribe say the video bia to so a onsa ebeka
we got to one from your follow
But I'm not putting a social. I come here for life. I'm not putting a social. The Vice President, Mrs. Victoria Back, also Akamo, and Asante President, Asante President for Sadrak Obey for and maybe National President to also for the temple of Yamaka, the buyer with Self pensions here, Black Lady pensions here, Gold Lady pensions here, and so we said it. All now, what we said, no, so I don't group. I feel we're going to be over Tiago, but that was it. Said, them not so. Now this will be in power for night. National Ball Station. On the group, or more to one of them now. To be, I would show what it's the whole side. It's a man, church. As if you must also at home. And as at the time, was so when I place and the church with this one comes. So we have a child. Now, what about you, sir? Maybe I just almost know. To the way the other way goes well. The national ball switching. And I started with the ball switching. That was about a child. I have some pensions here. I have a little pensions here. One little pensions here. I don't know what dear. I'm a bomb dear. But Chairman, and I am a bomb dear. Said of my Robert Saudi.
The corner right here. Yes, sir. And Akwasi Dae and a and now I'm paying our share in Bonyam. Now, Waba, or the Bedi Akwasi Dae. And I'm a strama. A party paying for more, party for more. Oh, no, easily for the Uganda. I don't know, bro. What's your Abamai amasa obejin chankwa free other for them ho tiasama chiano encha suka crap enche abamai edi embekasa tiasama bi sa oba na asoja fo no akase memma na watiasia the former MP for Subin constituency Honorable Eugene Anchi, we thank you.
Here come for not projects now. From Toya Simon Baby, I make us say Sia. Asante for North Carolina. I'm a person with donation. And they have here come for not projects now. That's why Simon Rasa Sia. I'm saying a brand new song. Say we have presentation now. And it's a Mumra Sia na one couple number said the Abokono. And it's a Yakwaba and the Deba and the four Ekashia. There's a boy, yes, some Jonah. They said because you're not Wakai agency or what's the gold mine. A buffalo video to what built a woman here. The one come out and was a channel, I don't want to go so. I'm going to buy a barbecue. And then we are going to come into from so and some Shira, we are a barbecue. We now have the 80 again and one again. That's also a day. Yeah, my Betty Modi Grissu. Can I say, yeah, I shot at anyone some sort of open. So, and I'm going to see us here. And so, I get to my open. So, for our shop, I'm going to see so now. I get my baby home. And this is coming far. And now, I'm not going was ready for Ghana, say, and I ever tell us to clear or drop and pull your mom. Let's me up one Ghana, I've had it up for everyone. Now, I'm going to ever walk a tea and then for when they got my penny by every and this is your training. It was anti-bantam. But that's also we share and I can see I will be a new now. Not to say your father now. I feel a raw or savings. Prez Regional Chairman, Edema NDC, Council of Elders, Chairman for Ashanti Region, or Hannibal. On behalf for somebody, I do say, Kane was so for the Yatra, now or share a human, and I don't see one subsoil. Double Dominion, Omunyanfo John Alexander Akon, Kane Asante Matamuso for Edono, Omunyanfo Samuel Sabon, Kane Asante Matamuso for Afeso, National Vice Chairman, Edema NDC Amanyono, Sanso Ena, Obifo and O'Reilly, Mary, I see Ewaha, Obifo Peter Poma Otukono. Another penny punch of war was just a young former panic to a dear mapa and because so our LDC of the Kuno. Ora at the before a penny 4 year one of a share at the two LDC of the Kuno said you have a consultancy. At what at 2 to 4 no, if I pay or come home. Maybe now a day, a day kind, a day kind. If you know any, if you know any, come on. I hate you. Baby, I'm going to know. I won't be a harm. And I know some for what we know. What you are changing a gun that she. Your course, let them go to a bar. Maybe I will give one, not just say. And you will say, and it's in your mama, say, I dare come in. I tell you, for you now, about I hate you for fair.
Yes, I'm growing now, Emma from. I'm growing now, Emma from. Yes, some be. Yama, I'm growing now, Emma from. Now, I get the man. Faye and open so. Emma, I'm paying a quaba.
I'll go for my Yaslamo. I'm going to be a perform.
It was a hope.
Going to be a
company as what? Said the progress at the doctor and see them. I said there, I did the kind. That's it for what's about penny. What about Finina? A money of council. Or 2 or 1 about one side in my hand. And I tell me, Sabana was the kind of man of power. The son of man of power.
About my bosom for or so by the only serpent to Grandpa or Chair, the bomb what you don't know the baby at the canyon level. The 2 for the massy of the massy.
The Busana, Smash with the Busana, Smash with it. I'm going to also got so said that's not mine. It was
I'm penny say, and all. So that's it, any kind. So, good is at Fuguano.
additional security.
Any kind of one, this is what I must say.
See, every day, now you're transit. Let you my eating no penny 7 months so come as antimaterial. It's you know. Just a nice.
That's your blue. There's an official delegation of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu the second. Yasoma mama ha anyedi. Agofuba ni na lowa drops ni na emra from. Afei eda amampai John Dramani Mahama. And he eba bekasa. Yama aha jadi. Afei ada
Bosu. Pacho, I said why.
Tapavane Nana Adusei Atruampe Obacha, His Excellency the President of the Republic. Aha abedi adamaye Sanse enche Amampai John Dani Mahama Eni ebedi komo akra ewo ha. And he's here to celebrate Akwasi Dae with us. Together with a huge delegation, which include the chairman of the NDC, Honorable Johnson Asiri Ketia, the Shanti Regional Chairman, Chairman Augustus Nanakwesi, and the Shanti Regional Minister last night, Dr. Frank Ama. Indeed, he came along with Professor Joshua Alabi, Mrs. Bettybold Idrisu, former Attorney General, the business luminary, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, COP Tide, Nathan Kubebuache, Director of Operations, and the presidency. We have the Honorable MD4, Asumasi Honorable Muntaka Mohammed, as I welcome Dr. William Antawusu is also our special guest. He's also our special guest and a guest to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu the second. Let's see Mariam Montrat, the Canadian High Commissioner to Ghana. Your Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the President of the Republic, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the nation's builder, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Your Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu, the second King of the Asante Kingdom, our chiefs and elders, our queen mothers, members of parliament, ministers of state present, political party representatives, citizens of Asanteman, all Ghanaians assembled here. I want to wish you a happy Akwasi Dae. Nana, in say Akwasi Dae yedi eno enedi kan ewo afefo fra yewremui nti me stress ehu hira ema Otumfuo nye kese na Asanteman so enye kese na yenya enkoso. This Akwasi Dae being the first for the year is also the first after the momentous inauguration ceremony that was held at the Black Star Square recently that saw power transferred smoothly from one outgoing political party to another. Then that this inaugural ceremony was very well attended by Ghanaians of all walks of life and also by many heads of states from across Africa and other parts of the world, and also heads of international diplomatic missions. This smooth transfer of power from the MPP administration to the new NDC administration was acclaimed by the whole world, and it has cemented the credentials of our dear nation Ghana as the beacon and model of democracy, not only in Africa, but in the rest of the world. We must be proud as a nation of the acclaim that we have received, and we must work arduously to defend the peace and progress of our nation. Our democracy might not be perfect, but I believe that in the last 32 years, we have proved to the world that we're willing to work to create a perfect democracy for our country. Your Royal Majesty, our nation, Ghana, is facing a dire economic crisis. While this is not the first time that we have been in such a crisis, this particular crisis, characterized by a high rate of inflation, macroeconomic instability, a depreciating currency, and above all, a debt default which has shut us out of the international credit market, is a more daunting challenge than we have ever experienced in our history. Your Royal Majesty, as President between 2013 and 2017, we faced macroeconomic instability. And I remember that at the time, some of the times we had obstacles in our way of bringing stability to our economy and restoring economic growth. I had the privilege of calling on you to use your influence and diplomacy to smoothen the path so that it could open up the path towards prosperity and progress. And at the time, anytime I called on you, you did not hesitate. And I wish to thank you for the cooperation that I enjoyed with you at that time, and to publicly acclaim and acknowledge that some of the economic progress that we achieved in that period was due to the work that you did. Your Royal Majesty, as we have inherited a difficult economic situation, I'll be calling on you again from time to time. And I know that when I call on you, you will not hesitate, so that we can work together to put our nation Ghana back on its feet. Your Royal Majesty, when I was president, you and I worked on several projects here, not only in Kumasi, but in your kingdom, Asante. I remember we worked together on the KJTR market. We worked together on the Kumasi International Airport. We worked together to build many schools, which we call the E-blocks, in several areas of your kingdom. We worked together to expand access to healthcare by building hospitals, some of which we did not complete. We worked together to improve the road network in the whole of the Asante region using the Whole Roads program. We also extended electricity to many communities in Asante and also provided clean drinking water for many communities. Your Royal Majesty, lately I have heard you complain about the lack of development in the Ashanti region, and rightly so, because as you have said, Ashanti region is the second most populous region in the whole of Ghana, and Kumasi is the second largest city. And as you rightly noted, in every country, the second largest city is equipped and developed almost as close as the first city. Because in the event of crisis or invasion or war, government must be able to retreat to another city where it can function in order to safeguard the country.
Ghana, when we now for His Excellency, John Dramani. And I say, and then no, Eddie Tahon, yeah, nothing to bar now. You are the one. I can't be your own one. No, so yeah. Never one. I come back, I would say, Sanjay, I've had a new airplane said. Because I believe you are when you have been in Abasania, Apostle, even I have Sabia. So we are at the end, and any HAA. I don't want Emma, because I don't want to show the phone. I think I've wired Sabia, Little Hospital. And also a Shasiano, a little Atchagan. Or I say, and also a Cuba and then HAA.
Thank you very much, Otumfuo Afonsa. We have here the Apostolic Nuncio to Ghana, the Pope's representative to Ghana, His Excellency, Most Reverend Julian Kabor, and is here to represent Pope Francis, the Pontiff of the Roman Catholic Church. Walking elegantly on the red carpet is Dr. Kwebu Otin, President of Angel Group of Companies, has already paid homage.
And now I'm going to add an adjective. Our Excellency, the precious Excellency, in the name on behalf of our Majesty, Illustrious Majesty, Otumfuo, I welcome you to the great kingdom of Asante. Otumfuo wishes you to hear a
and know that today's visit constitutes the first. This to fulfill all your promises to us. There's a royal banquet waiting for the and indeed the royal banquet. Like the prophet says, eternity, wine and dining, the three personalities, you should be caught. You should come to once again, as president of the section, to Nana Ajiba Prembe, Ambassador Shibata, founder and CEO of Millennium International, His Majesty will greet all the paramount chiefs and all the traditional leaders, including His Excellency the President of the Republic, as we all await the sumptuous meal. Yummy, yummy. Flamboyant daughters of glory Jesus, evergreen daughters of glory Jesus, they have been in the gospel industry well over decades. They sing like angels, the daughters of glorious Jesus. Cynthia Edna Monica, the bond is great. We thank you, the Canadian High Commissioner to Ghana, His Excellency Mariam Montrat, and the Apostolic Promise to Ghana's Reverend Julian Kabori. First time I've seen Elisato here to celebrate Akwasi Dae. Times have changed. We thank you so much. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. We thank you for your gracious presence here. And the Chairman of the MDC, Honorable Thompson Nasiri Katia. The original Chairman Nanakosi, the Shuttle Regional Minister Designate, Dr. Franco of Osei Tutu,